Hey class, it's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man here to teach you about adding mixed fractions. Okay, let's begin.
So, if we had a number like this.
Adding a number like this.
Hey!
What do you...
Get out of here! My classroom. Anyways, we are going to do mixed fractions. This is a mixed fraction. It has a whole number with a fraction. That's a mixed fraction. We're going to be adding mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fractions. The first thing we do whenever we add mixed fractions, you have to add your fractions first. Ignore the whole numbers, add your mixed fractions first. Okay, and if you see here, our denominators are not like, okay, we have to skip count first to find a common denominator and then multiply to switch it. So we have
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then we have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45.
5, and our common denominator is 9, okay? So what do we have to multiply this one to get a 9? We have to do times 3 on top, okay? This whole thing changes into 3 9s, okay? Do we have to change this one to a 9? No, it's already a 9, okay? We needed a 9, this one's already a 9, so we leave it as 5 9s. We add them together and we get 8 9s, okay? That's my fraction. We just added our fractions. What's left is our whole numbers. So we add our whole numbers together. These are our whole numbers. So what's 5 plus 1? That gives us 6, and our fraction was 8 9s. But sometimes it doesn't work perfectly like this. Sometimes we have to do extra steps, okay? So this is a different problem, but we're still adding mixed fractions. So we have
2 and 6, 8, plus 1 and 3.
fourths, okay? What do we do first? We add our fractions first. So go look at your fractions. 6 eighths plus 3 fourths. Different denominators means we skip count to find a common denominator.
So we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
What's a common denominator? Well, we have 8 and 16. If you have to choose the one in the front, so you have to do less work, okay? So I'm gonna choose 8. Change the denominators into the least common denominator here. That means I have to change this one to 8. Since it's already 8, do I change it? No, it's already what I want, so I don't have to do anything. What do I have to multiply this one by to get 8? I have to do times 2. 4 times 2 will give me 8, and then times 2 on top, okay? So we have 6 eighths that we had here that we didn't change because we wanted 8 and it's already 8, plus 6 eighths. What does that give us? 12 eighths. And this is not okay just because the denominator is bigger than the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we have to change this into a proper fraction. So it changes into 1 whole and then whatever's left over, 4 eighths. Okay? This is not our answer. We added only the fractions. We have to add our whole numbers. We have a whole number right here, a whole number right here, and a whole number we just made right here. So what's 2 plus 1 is 4, and whatever fraction we had left over, that goes right here, okay? So in case you get something like this, your extra step is just to change it into a proper fraction. But everything else stays the same. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here!